And now we're going to paint it with Drylok. You'll want a thick brush for this. I got the official Drylok brush because I'm a sucker. But this is going to work great. So let's get started painting. This Drylok brush is actually really nice. You want to put the first coat on pretty thick because you want it to cover all of the little divots and holes and whatnot in order to make sure that water doesn't penetrate. Much better. And that is all for our first coat. Starting to look nice. We'll let it dry for an hour or so and then do a second coat. It's time for coat number 2. Okay, got our second coat on. That was pretty quick. This is a small wall, but that took me about 10 minutes to run over it with a second coat. Now, after drying for about a day, we can then put our final coat on.